I'm gonna rip your face off! I forgot to say something. I have used for the first time the dishwasher. I had it, but I never used it until today. It was amazing. It was life-changing and I had no idea what I missed until now. I feel civilized. I feel that I went from Unga Bunga to suddenly a gentleman who can now finally sit down at a table discussing business with the boys. I feel like a new chain of evolution has begun the moment I learned how to use the dishwasher. I've just been washing them by my hand. What the fuck? I was like, Sam, what the fuck? I get it now. I get it. I'm in the 21st century. Is this Europe okay? No. No. Your dishwasher floats? The dishwasher can float? It can float? That's not good. Use floods? What's crazy about that? That actually sounds terrifying. You have an aircon? I don't. This house is very cold. I'm not even joking. It's hot as shit outside, but inside my house is so fucking cold. I don't need it. It's so nice. It's actually so nice. Yeah. Do you have walls? Oh my god, I don't. I'm streaming outside in a hut. How did you know? I don't have ceiling fans, no, actually.